Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Python and installing the build tools. This gives you control. Once done, create or activate a virtualenv so dependencies stay local. Then install pinstaller and pillow with pip. These let you bundle code and embed icons. Make sure your ICO is a proper Windows icon, ideally 256 x 256. Place the ICO in the project folder next to your main script so paths are simple. Now you're ready to run the first pinstaller command. Now you build the executable using pinstaller and point to the icon file so it's embedded at compile time. Run pinstaller one file windowed icon equals app. ICO main. Py. The flags control packaging and GUI mode. If anything fails, rerun with clean and log level equals debug to capture errors. Once finished, inspect the dist folder for your main. Exe and confirm the icon appears in Explorer. Windows may cache icons, so don't panic if it looks unchanged immediately. Next, we'll finish by verifying the icon across systems. Windows often caches icons, so restart Explorer or reboot to refresh the view. If pinstaller didn't embed the icon correctly, you can replace it post-build using rsedit or resource hacker. That lets you swap the icon resource directly. Make sure you sign the exe if distributing, because Smart Screen can block unsigned builds. Troubleshooting tip: if the icon still shows wrong, open the exe on a different PC to rule out local cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.